Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through.
Hear that, guys? Stand back. Here it comes.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, weighing in at 215 pounds.
They clearly weren't expecting this, and that's what makes it so sweet.
Pins can happen anywhere at any time, and that's got to be a concern for most superstars in a Falls Count Anywhere match, Corey.
It's absolutely a concern. Conserving your energy has to be a priority in this type of match. A move that takes a lot of energy now might keep you from kicking out later.
This matchup can take us anywhere. It's a Falls Count Anywhere contest. No countouts and no disqualifications.
This type of match, it doesn't take long for things to get completely insane. Anything goes.
That's one of the reasons there's little time to recover from an opponent's attack in a Falls Count Anywhere encounter.
The Hurricane wards that attack off.
He has him in his grasp. Someone call a dentist. Really just laying it in. He's able to sidestep there.
Oh my God, that's gotta hurt. He's returning fire.
Reversal on top of reversal. Reciprocating the initial reversal.
Just a debilitating neck breaker.
Attack after attack on target. Oh no. And a reverse DDT. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Sharp punch. The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
He knew he'd get hurt. In a match like this, you can't avoid it.
Into a neck breaker. Shoulders down for the count.
A strong kick out to stay in the fight.
The colossal clutch. Oh, look at this, locked in. Submission move here. Slipped right underneath, and just like that, he's out of the hold. Boom, right in the button. He gets sent down to the floor. And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries.
Great height.
DDT. Cover. 2. And he kicks out at 2.
He's determined to keep this matchup going.
Taking this one back to the ring now.
He'll take things into the ring.
Set up in the corner of the ring.
Things went from bad to worse. Precarious position for both of these athletes.
What more these two can do to each other, I have no clue. Neckbreaker.
Looking for the victory.
2 count, kicks out. He still has life.
How in the world did he kick out?
The Hurricane rising up top.
Take off. Splash. That's gotta be it.
Shoulder shoots up before 2.
This is where great cardio makes all the difference, helping you stay alive deep into the match.
He finds a counter for the Hurricane.
The Hurricane keeps him away.
Running Hurricane Rana.
Fantastic.
Ducking underneath. This is a unique move.
Hurricane got it. Can he end it?
Cover. There's 2. That's it. The blood and sweat put into the with these guys in action.
Here is your winner, the Hurricane.
This is the type of victory where you really have to weigh the costs against the benefits.
This one felt special from the moment the bell rang. We knew it was going to be a show.
Yeah, it really lived up to all the expectations.